excited to have you aboard, and we appreciate your attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. FAA regulation requires you to follow the instructions of our crew members and comply with posted and lighted signs.
It's important to have your seatbelt on at all times. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the metal end into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. When the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be fastened low and tight across your lap. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened, even with the seatbelt of your seat. And sealing compartments in the lavatories. If a strap appears, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start to flow oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the strap. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others. Should you need it, you'll find a life vest equipped with a water-activated light in a pouch under, between, or next to your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. If present, remove the strap from around the pouch. Tear open the pouch, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube. This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary.
Smoking of any kind, including e-cigarettes, is never allowed on the aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions.
Make sure you've switched all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode. For taxi, takeoff, and landing, large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow your device.
We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. Store your tray table, food and beverages, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Make sure your seat bag is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please place your personal items under the seat in front of you. At United, we're connecting people, uniting the world, and doing it safely. From all of us, thank you and enjoy your flight. In the unlikely event oxygen is needed on today's flight, remove any face covering prior to putting on your oxygen mask. If you're seated in exit row, we encourage you to open up the window shade for taxi and takeoff. We will be dimming the cabin lights so
Your banana peel could one day help fly a plane.
My prize peel?
Bingo. Because United is investing in a future where sustainable aviation fuel could be made from many different kinds of waste. And SAP has